Welcome back. Hopefully you got those two details supporting the different life in each of those systems. Now we are going to think about the plants and animals that work together. Forests, deserts, and grasslands each have different ecosystems. In an ecosystem, all living things, such as the plants and animals, interact with each other. In both forest and rainforest ecosystems, squirrels, birds, and other animals depend on trees. Birds and other animals build nests in trees. They also eat the fruits and the nuts that grow on the trees. Some of the seeds the animals eat drop into the soil and grow into new trees. The vegetation in these ecosystems needs animals to help spread the seeds around. In the desert, cactuses are important to many animals. Bats, such as the lesser long-nosed bats, drink nectar from the cactus flowers that bloom at night. By doing this, the bats spread pollen from cactus to cactus. This helps the cactus grow. Birds also make nests in dried cactus limbs. Other animals, including jackrabbits, eat parts of the cactus. Places with similar vegetation can have different ecosystems. The grasslands in the middle of the United States do not have the same ecosystem as the grasslands on the continent of Africa. Some of the grasslands in Africa get more rainfall. The grasses can even grow up to 7 feet high there. In this ecosystems, elephants eat the tall grasses. In the lake and swamp ecosystems in the southeastern United States, alligators dig large pond-like holes. Alligators use the holes as a place to rest. These holes also provide shallow water for birds and fish. Now, we're going to think about an ecosystem and think about the effect the animals have on the vegetation that live there. And also think about, even in Indiana, the ants are the plants and the animals that we have and how those animals can affect the ecosystem. We also want to think about the effect that climate has on vegetation that grows in a region. Think about the climate, the weather that occurs over long periods of time, and how it affects the plant life in that region. Think about what happens in Indiana during the wintertime to our plant life. Write about how the weather or climate affects how you live. So in this spot in your book, go ahead and write how weather and climate affects our way of life in Indiana.